Good morning friends, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to RT Dashcam. Today's video is going to be a bit different. No highways, no long drives. This time, I want to show you something that we experience every day, yet nothing ever changes. Yes, I'm talking about the pathetic condition of roads in our very own garden city, Bengaluru. More specifically, the Whitefield area. Now imagine how hard it is when you have to use such roads every single day. That's what makes this even more painful. Today's video starts just after crossing the Kadugodi Canal, moving through Whitefield, Hoskote Road, and heading towards Chrysalis High School in Kadugodi. We'll take a right turn near the Hindustan Petroleum petrol bunk, and that stretch, that's the one I really want you to see today. On our right, there's Lakshmi Hyundai Whitefield Service Center, one of the busiest in this part of the city. It's not some interior village road. This is a road surrounded by prominent landmarks, international schools, apartments, and sports centers, yet the condition is worse than rural lanes. To the left, we have Whitefield Sports Center, popular for badminton. On the right again, it's Valistus International School. This stretch is extremely busy. So many school buses, cars, bikes, and even pedestrians use this road throughout the day. And still, the road looks like it's been abandoned for years. You'll also see some reputed villas and big real estate projects all around. Chaithanya Greenford Phase 1 and 2, Desai Developers, Mahaveer Group, Keya Homes, and apartments like DX Max. On the right, we pass DX Max and Desai Properties. On the left, it's Mahaveer Residency. And once again on the right, it's Keya Homes with their massive residential projects. As we move a little further down this same road, we'll see three major schools. Chrysalis High School, Kadugodi, Maple Global School, a Singapore-based ex-SEED Foundation premium school, and Blossom Buds International Montessori and Preschool. Now just pause and think. Every day, countless students depend on this road to reach school. Many of them walk, some come by cycle, some by scooter with their parents. And this is the road they face every day. The condition is honestly horrible. In this video, I've shown footage from a rainy day, so you can understand the reality better. In this section, so many people have slipped and fallen. The other day, I saw a small child going to school with her grandparent, and they both slipped and fell down on this very road. Imagine that happening to your own child. The potholes? They're not small bumps, they're mini craters filled with muddy water during the rains. It's slippery, dangerous, and unpredictable. You can't even walk here properly, forget riding a two-wheeler. On the right, we're passing Maple Global School again. To the left, it's Blossom Buds. And soon, we'll reach Chrysalis High School, our destination for today. That's all I wanted to show in today's video. It's not just about bad roads, it's about our children, our daily life, our safety. If you felt the same frustration watching this, please help me raise awareness. Like, share, and support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more real videos from our streets. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.